Want to make money on your phone? I know how frustrating it can be when need money to come in. That's why I'm gonna show you how to earn money on the go. You don't need any skill? No skills needed. All you have to do is download this free app and start earning. Watch this video and get started today. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Earn money instantly on the go. With this app you can earn money from your mobile phone without having to buy anything. This app called Cash Karma. Various tasks are available and there are many ways to earn. Cash Karma is an app where you can earn by taking surveys and doing other simple tasks such as watching videos. Cash Karma is available on Google Play and App Store, so it is easy to use on the go to make money. On Cash Karma app you can earn money through paid surveys, which are the biggest earning opportunity. You can find a pretty good amount of these inside the app. You should answer a few quick questions before you can begin taking paid surveys, which take around 2 minutes each. Each of them will unlock a survey wall for you, and the best part is you will get points for taking these short profile questions as well. Once you complete that, you will be able to access the lists of available surveys. Cash Karma offers some surveys that you cannot find in many other places. So it can be a way to earn some nice extra cash in this app. The great part also that Cash Karma is offering bonuses to joining right away to kickstart your earnings. In addition to this, you get also free points if you verify your email address. You can also earn by watching small video trailers for other apps. Also, there are several paid offer walls inside Cash Karma. Some of the offers can be fun and only take 5 minutes. Cash Karma offers good payout methods. You can get paid in cash through PayPal, get Amazon gift cards, or choose between many other gift cards. Cash Karma can be a fun and easy way to earn a bit extra cash on the go, as it is very easy to access through the app. However, Cash Karma alone does not give enough money, but as a side hustle, it can definitely be a good option. However, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.